Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can connect a MySQL database to Power BI. If you've ever wanted to analyze your MySQL data using the powerful visual tools in Power BI, but got stuck somewhere along the way, this video is for you. By the end, you'll have everything set up and ready to pull in your data for dynamic reports. Alright, let's dive right in. First, we need to set up our MySQL environment. The easiest way to do this is to use XAMPP, which is a free open-source package that bundles Apache, MySQL, and a few other components. Head over to the XAMPP website, just give it a search, it's usually the top result, and download the installer for your operating system. This might take a minute, so grab a coffee while that's working. When the installer finishes, open it up and start the installation. During setup, you'll get some options for which services to install. Make sure MySQL is checked since that's what we're going to use. Now, after installation, launch XAMPP and start the MySQL module. Doing this enables the server on your own machine or localhost. So what does localhost mean here? It's basically your own computer acting as a server, letting you run and test things in a safe environment. Starting MySQL in XAMPP is key. Power BI needs to be able to talk to your database, and enabling the connection sets up the bridge. Next up, before Power BI can connect to MySQL, there's one more thing you need, the MySQL connector. Think of this as a translator that allows Power BI and MySQL to communicate smoothly. Head to the official MySQL site and download the MySQL Connector ODBC for your system. Again, just run the installer and follow the prompts. The defaults usually work just fine. If you're wondering why this is necessary, it's because Power BI relies on these connectors to access different types of databases, kind of like needing an adapter plug when you travel to a country with different outlets. Once you have XAMPP installed, MySQL running, and the connector installed, you're ready to open Power BI. Don't worry if any of those previous steps took a few extra tries, it's pretty common the first time around. In Power BI, start on the home screen and find the Get Data button. It's usually front and center at the top. Click it and in the search bar type MySQL. From the results, select MySQL Database. Now you'll see a prompt asking for the database details. If you followed the previous steps, installed XAMPP, enabled MySQL, and set up the connector, you're on track, and you should see the MySQL option ready for you. Enter your database name. If you haven't set up a new database yet, XAMPP usually creates a default one called test, but you can create your own using the phpMyAdmin tool inside XAMPP. After you enter the database name, Power BI will ask for your credentials. This is usually the username and password for your MySQL setup. For XAMPP, the default username is often root, and the password might be blank unless you've set one, in which case enter that. Take your time here, and if the connection doesn't work right away, double-check that MySQL is running in XAMPP and your credentials are correct. It's a common snag, so don't stress if you need a couple tries. And that's it. Power BI should now connect to your MySQL database, and you'll be able to pull in tables, create visualizations, and explore your data. If you found this helpful, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need troubleshooting tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy data exploring.